Trade unions held nationwide strike. Banks were impacted. A nationwide workers' strike was held on the 12th of February 2026, called by central trade unions and industry federations, impacting banking and other key sectors. Bank of Baroda had cautioned about possible disruption, while AIBEA supported the strike over labour codes, banking reforms, and workers' rights. Government plans PSB, conclave to build globally competitive banks for Viksit Bharat 2047. The government is planning a conclave to chart reforms and growth strategies aimed at making public sector banks globally competitive, with a target of placing at least 2 PSBs among the world's top 20 by 2047. The proposal has drawn mixed reactions online, with some supporting the long-term vision and others questioning current challenges in the banking sector. Indian bank staff raise concerns over QR feedback targets at Ahmedabad Zonal Office. Social media posts have raised concerns that Indian Bank's Ahmedabad Zonal Office has instructed branch staff to secure a minimum number of daily QR-based customer feedback responses, adding to existing business targets. Critics have termed it an added operational burden, while the bank has not yet issued a public response. Pension updation case. Ray of hope emerges for bank retirees after Supreme Court hearing. After nearly 30 years, the bank pension update was heard in the Supreme Court on the 5th of February 2026, with the court seeking clarity on pension data. Retirees argued that DA merger alone is insufficient, citing the RBI's updation formula and past regulations to support their demand. AIBOBOU seeks review of Bank of Baroda promotion exercise for SMG-V. The All India Bank of Baroda Officers Union, AIBOBOU, has written to Bank of Baroda management raising concerns over the SMG-4 to SMG-5 promotion process, alleging deviation from the prescribed composite shortlisting criteria. The union claimed written test marks were given predominant weightage without visible inclusion of GEMS A-PAR scores. It also flagged lack of timely disclosure of marks, citing transparency concerns and uncertainty among officers. 8th Conference of Tripura Provincial Bank Employees Association concludes successfully. The 8th Conference of the Tripura Provincial Bank Employees Association concluded with strong participation, including women members and trade union leaders. As noted by C.H. Venkatachalam, the event focused on workplace issues, labor rights, and strengthening collective unity and organizational strategy. IDBI Bank sale. Government receives bids. Kotak Mahindra issues clarification. The government has received financial bids for the strategic sale of a 60.72% stake in IDBI Bank, with the transaction expected to conclude in FY 2025-26 and potentially fetch around 70,000 crore. While market reports named Kotak Mahindra Group and Fairfax as contenders, Kotak Mahindra Bank has officially clarified that it has not submitted any financial bid, issuing the statement under SEBI regulations following share price movement. RBI notifies name change of 6 RRBs, updates second schedule. RBI has updated the second schedule of the RBI Act, renaming 6 RRBs, including 3 new ones, and removing 7 merged banks under the One State, One RRB policy. The move completes the legal restructuring process following nationwide amalgamation. UP Gramin Bank Officers Association raises concerns over work pressure and staff well-being. UPGBOA has raised concerns over rising work pressure, punitive transfers, and stress among officers, urging UPGB management to ensure fair policies, transparent assessments, and better work-life balance. RRB unions raise compliance, allowance, and work pressure concerns. Unions in Chhattisgarh Gramin Bank have alleged non-compliance with RBI norms on mandatory leave for sensitive posts and objected to its classification as earned leave, while officers have also sought implementation of petrol allowance, citing regulatory provisions and the bank's improved profits. AIRRBEA flags leave violations in SBI-sponsored RRBs. AIRRBEA unions have urged DFS to intervene, alleging that SBI-sponsored RRBs are violating RBI norms by treating mandatory leave as earned leave instead of special leave. They claim this creates disparity between SBI employees and RRB staff.